Did you know that 1 in 3 seniors experiences a fall each year? The good news is that just a few simple daily exercises can help you stay steady, confident, and safe, and you don't need any equipment. The good news is that just a few simple daily exercises can help you stay steady, confident, and safe, and you don't need any equipment. Balance is crucial for maintaining your independence and mobility after 50. Good balance helps you navigate daily activities with confidence, from walking upstairs to reaching for items on high shelves. Today, I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly exercises that will help improve your balance and stability. All you need is a clear space and a sturdy chair for support. Let's get started. First up is the heel-to-toe walk. Stand near a wall for support if needed. Place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of your other foot. Take 10 to 20 steps in a straight line, focusing on maintaining your balance. This exercise strengthens your core and improves your walking stability. Start with 5 steps and gradually work up to 20 as you get more comfortable. Remember, it's perfectly fine to use the wall for light support as you build confidence. Great job! This exercise helps prevent falls by improving your coordination and balance. Next is the single leg stand. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold onto the back for support. Slowly lift one foot off the ground and hold for 10 seconds. Keep your standing leg straight and your core engaged. Lower your foot and repeat with the other leg. This exercise strengthens your leg muscles and improves your ability to balance on one foot. As you get stronger, try using less support from the chair. This builds the strength you need for activities like putting on shoes or stepping over obstacles. For side leg raises, stand behind your chair with feet hip-width apart. Slowly lift one leg out to the side, keeping it straight. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly lower back down. Repeat 10 times, then switch to the other leg. This exercise strengthens your hip muscles, which are essential for walking and climbing stairs. Strong hip muscles help prevent falls and keep you mobile and independent. Now let's try back leg raises. Stand behind your chair with hands on the back for support. Slowly lift one leg straight back behind you, keeping your legs straight. Keep your back straight and don't lean forward. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly lower your leg. Do 10 repetitions, then switch legs. This strengthens your glutes and lower back muscles, improving your posture and stability. Our final exercise is the sit to stand. Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest to avoid using them for assistance. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and flat on the ground. Slowly stand up using only your leg muscles. Then slowly sit back down. Start with 5 repetitions and work up to 10 as you get stronger. This exercise builds leg strength and makes everyday activities like getting out of bed much easier. If you need to, you can use your arms for assistance until you build more strength. Let's quickly recap these 5 simple exercises: heel-to-toe walk, single leg stand, side leg raises, back leg raises, and sit to stand. Each one targets different muscle groups to improve your overall balance and stability. Try these every day to build strength and stability. Remember, consistency is key, and you don't need any special equipment. Subscribe for more simple tips to stay active and healthy at any age. Your balance and independence are worth the effort. Start today.